Pressure, gravity, ground collision lend themselves very well to creating different objects. Let's see one more exercise on pressure. I'm going to make our plane, the one we have already used before. Okay, I say for example 100, 100. Let's change the size for a moment, like this, then the coloring. And let's create a mask. Use mask, displace mask, max value, start cloth. Alt and drag mask. I change the size of my brush first. With the start cloth. Something like this. I'll make it a little bigger, and then with the Alt key. Let's go and draw our mask. Here in the middle. I get out of command. I'm going to turn off displace mask. I leave use mask active anyway. And I can do two things. Either I work with gravity, for example, or I work with pressure, for example. Let's make sure that we copy it here on the side. So we have to because they are identical. And let's see how it behaves. Severity 1.0 1.0 for example. And from the start a nice brush how to say big. I click and pull upwards. This is our gravity. And so we created this object very simply. With a mask and moving the brush upwards. Let's go on this. Let's play the same game, but with the start clock press. Let's make a big brush here too. Let's click. Move upwards and I'm going to release. Good or bad to go a little to the same. How to say. Height our element. Okay, and release. So we here have two pretty similar objects. The gravity one has a little stronger folds. This pressure as he tries to swell up is more soft. I saved this file as 14 as gravity, and pressure masks this because we have made like this. We put it here too, and this gravity and mask because as we have seen, and there are two different effects.